This TikTok account has gained over 253,000 followers and is getting about 1 million views per video. If I play the video,
watermelon or mango? Apple or banana?
it's these common quizzes, but really engaging. If you want results like this on TikTok, you should check my website, where you can buy already monetized TikTok accounts. These accounts are ready-made, so you can start earning from your very first video. I've also prepared all the prompts for this tutorial, so you can follow along easily. Open Canva. Click on Create and search for 9:16 ratio. This size is specifically optimized for TikTok videos, so your content fills the screen perfectly. If you look at the original account's videos, you'll notice he uses the same red and blue color scheme across all of them. So I asked ChatGPT to suggest some colors for my video. It gave us the same blue and red, but since we can't copy that exactly, we'll go with yellow and purple instead. Now, inside Canva, go to Elements and add a rectangle. Make it bigger to cover exactly half of the frame. Click on Color and enter the first color code that ChatGPT gave us. Then copy the second color code and apply it to the other half of the frame. This gives you that clean, split-screen look that performs really well on TikTok. Next, add a text box. Make the font bigger, then choose a font style that fits the theme. Go to Effects and add a background highlight to the text so it stands out clearly. Adjust the basic settings like increasing the roundness according to your preference. Then add a line as a separator between the two sides. Increase its stroke thickness and adjust its size and position. You can always refer to the original TikToks for inspiration on layout and spacing. Once the image looks good, click on Share and download it in full size. For video generation, we'll be using the prepared prompts along with ChatGPT. Copy the first prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a wide variety of quiz topic ideas. It can be fruits, brands, daily life objects, and many more. For this tutorial, let's go with fruits. Type in fruits, then go back and copy the second prompt. Enter the second prompt along with the topic and send it. Now you have a full quiz script ready to use. The last prompt is for voice generation. When you enter it into ChatGPT, it will give you a clean, formatted text that you can directly use for audio generation. Open ElevenLabs and go to Text-to-Speech. Paste the script into the text field. Add full stops and commas where needed to create natural pauses between lines. Adjust the voice settings such as stability, clarity, and speed to your preference and then hit Generate. Listen through to make sure the pacing sounds natural before downloading it.
Apple or banana, which one are you picking? Strawberry or grapes, like if you're enjoying this quiz.
Now open CapCut for editing. Import the background image and the audio file. Add them both to the timeline. Also add your text elements.
Apple or banana.
For this tutorial, we need images of an apple and a banana. On Google, search for Apple PNG and download a clean, transparent background image. In the same way, search for and download a banana PNG. Add both images to the timeline and adjust their sizes to fit neatly on each side of the screen. Change the font of the text to something bold and easy to read, and add some entry effects to make it pop. Type in the names Apple on one side and banana on the other. When the banana voiceover begins, add a separate text element for banana as well. Trim the timeline so that each image and label appears in sync with the audio. Apply animations to both the text and the images to keep the video dynamic and engaging. When the question portion ends, add a timer sticker to give the audience a moment to think. To go along with it, find a ticking timer sound effect and place it underneath the sticker on the timeline. Set the timer duration to somewhere between 3 to 5 seconds, just enough to build suspense. Once the timer ends, it's time to reveal the answer. Go back and look up the real-world percentage or result for the question you used. Add a text element and write in the percentage or answer. Then, search for an answer reveal sound effect and place it right at the moment the answer appears on screen. This little detail makes the reveal feel satisfying and keeps viewers hooked. Now you have to repeat the same process for all the remaining questions in your script.
Apple or banana. Which one are you picking? Strawberry or grapes? Like if you're enjoying this quiz. Mango or pineapple? Watermelon or cherry? Follow for more daily quizzes.
Once the full video is ready, all you need is a monetized account, and you can start earning from your very first video.